Good day everyone, I am Jericho El Belayo from BSA 3 CS Horticulture and andito po ako ngayon upang i-present ang study about sa finger pepper. Since wala po kami nag-gather na data sa itinanim namin sa bahay kubo due to pest and dahil na rin sa suspension ng klase dahil sa sobrang init. And mas mabuti ko na lang po mag-base sa study nila Cheryl De Leon and Joel Maliwat titled Response of Finger Pepper to Biofertilizer under Different Tillage Method. Dito sa study nila Cheryl De Leon and Joel Maliwat is gumamit sila ng 3 different tillage method. First dyan is yung no tillage, strip tillage, and the last is conventional tillage. Alam naman natin na yung tillage is napaka-crucial niya pagdating sa crop production. Karaniwan itong ginagamit para mag-prepare ng seedbed and para ma-incorporate na rin yung mga organic matter. And ginakaraniwan din para makontrol yung weeds and ultimately promoting health root growth and to increase crop yield. Tungo muna tayo sa introduction. Pepper is considered an economically valuable spice crop due to its integral part in many cuisines, with its botanically classified as a berry and part of Solanaceae or nightshade family. Alam naman natin na karamihan sa ating mga Pilipino is napakahilig kumain ng manghang. And alam nyo rin ba na ang finger pepper is napakarami niyang vitamins na nakuha dito? Meron siyang vitamin A and C, vitamin B6, vitamin K1, and meron din siyang potassium and fiber. Tungo naman tayo sa data gathered. Una dyan is yung plant height. Sinusukat nila ito from base to tip ng dahon and ginagawa nila to every 15 days after transplanting and 45 days after transplanting. And next is yung days to 50% flowering. Gaya na nabanggit is hindi nila kino-consider na days to flowering yon kung walang 50% sa tanim nila ang namumulaklak. And next is number of fruits per plant. Lahat ng kinatanim nila, lahat ng hina-harvest nila is kinukolekta nila at tinitimbang sa pamamagitan ng digital weighing scale, even the marketable or non-marketable. And the last is fruit length. And for the results and discussion, makikita natin sa table na sa ang initial plant height niya, isang may pinakamababang nakuha, isang treatment 2 na meron lang 17.53 cm, pangalawang treatment 1 na merong 18.3 cm, at ang pinakamagandang result ay ang treatment 3 na mayroong 21.96 cm. At pagdating naman sa final plant height, ganun pa din, treatment 2 pa rin ang nahuhuli. Meron lang itong 38.39 cm, treatment 1 mayroong 39.16 cm, and ang treatment 3 is nakakuha ng 41.97 cm. So in terms of plant height, ang may pinakamagandang nakuha ay ang treatment 3, which is conventional tillage. And next is the number of days to 50% flowering. So makikita natin sa table na ang may pinakamababang nakuhang mean is yung no tillage. Meron lang siya nakuha 33.3 na mean. Pangalawa na ang treatment 2 na merong 33.57 na mean, and pinakamaganda pa rin nakuha ang treatment 3 na mayroong 33.81 na mean. And next naman natin dyan ay ang number of fruits per plant. Ang may pinakamababa nakuha pa rin dito is yung no tillage. Meron lang siyang mean na 27.10. Pangalawa pa rin ng treatment 2 na mayroong 29.13 na mean. And yung treatment 3 pa rin ang pinakamaganda na mayroong 29.36 na mean. And the last is fruit length. Kung makikita natin sa table, ang may pinakamababang nakuhang mean pagdating sa fruit length ay ang conventional tillage. Meron na naman siyang 8.75 cm, habang ang treatment 1 at treatment 2 is pantay lamang sila ng mean na mayroong nakuhang 8.89 cm. And for the conclusion, tillage influence the growth of finger pepper, habang yung conventional tillage naman is direkta siya nakaka-apekto sa plant growth ng ating finger pepper. And biofertilizer application enhanced yield of finger pepper, which conformed to the findings of this study in which BioGrow and resulted to early days of flowering and high fruit productivity. And biofertilizer has no effect to growth based from the result of the study dahil nakita naman natin na nagkatalo lang siya sa different tillage. And this study concludes no significant interaction between tillage and biofertilizer. And strip tillage was found to cost-effective among the two-third tillage method. BioGrow showed a promising economic influence on finger pepper production. And once again, I am Jericho El Velayo and thank you for watching.